Hello friends, welcome back to the Business Guruji. Please click on the subscribe button to get the latest videos from our channel. Today we will be talking about another important function in Excel, which is match function. Match, as the name says, it looks for the relative position of that item into an array. For example, if you have to search for Jennifer in this table of array, it will give the relative position. So before going into the functionality and uses, let's see how to use this formula. As you see, the syntax of match function is match value, which value you have to match, the array from which you have to select, and match type, whether it is exact match, greater than, or less than. Please note that you should always use match type as exact match to get the best results. Let us take this match function. So if you want to match the position of Jennifer in this array, you use the formula match. I'll press the tab button, look up value Jennifer, which is L10 in this sheet. Lookup array is this F10 to F15. I'll press the F4 button to freeze it. So in case I have to copy this into any other formula, it doesn't get moved. And match type would be exact. So if you use less than or greater than for a text function, it will always give you an error because Excel doesn't recognize this text as a greater than or a less than. It always matches it with the exact match. So when I press the enter button, you found that it has given a position of 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, John, Chris, Harry, and Jennifer. That means Jennifer is in the 4th position of this array. Please be conscious while using this match function whether or not to include the header. For example, if you include the header, I'll change F10 to F9 where it will start from 9 and it will give the relative position as 5. That means it has also counted the header. So always make a conscious call whether you have to include an header or not. Now let us see what happens if you don't have the name representing into your array. So if Jennifer is replaced by Jennifer, you see it gives a position called NA. That means it is not there in this column. And if you change the match type from exact to say less than type, it will give you random position. So you can never be sure that whether it is giving the right or the wrong results. So you have to be always cautious while using this. You always have to use match type as the exact match. Let us quickly redo this exercise for numbers where I have marked as rank. So if I have to see the position of number 2 in this array, I'll put match, lookup value, lookup array. I'll freeze this and match type would be perfect. So it gives the position of this is number 3. So now let's look at some of the uses of match function, how it can be used or where it is popularly used. So match is standalone used for identifying the position. Apart from this, it can also be extensively used in the index function, or it could be embedded in the if function, or it can also be used in the offset function. So we'll discuss more about index, if, and offset in my other videos. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.